In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to give access to users in Zoho Books so your team can collaborate efficiently while keeping your data secure. Start by making sure you're an administrator. Head to Settings, then click Users and Roles and go to the Users tab. Here, click Invite User at the top. Enter the new user's email address and name carefully, as this is where their invitation will be sent. Next, assign a role that matches their responsibilities. Roles control what the user can do in Zoho Books, so choose wisely. Once done, click Save. Zoho Books will automatically send an invitation email to the user. The invited user just needs to check their email, accept the invitation, and they'll gain access to your organization. It's a good idea to follow up to make sure they've successfully joined. And that's it. Giving access in Zoho Books is simple, secure, and helps your team stay connected. Like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips.